What is seed cycling? The practice of seed cycling involves rotating seeds into the diet throughout the two phases of the menstrual cycle, the follicular phase and the luteal phase. The idea here is to nutritionally support the corresponding hormones with the nutrient-dense seeds that we can easily include in the foods we already eat. Now, why would you want to do this? The seeds are high in essential fatty acids, which are necessary for proper hormone production. The seeds can also be helpful in binding and excreting excessive hormone metabolites or breakdown products and chemicals like xenoestrogens. This is particularly key in situations of estrogen dominance or when the liver is overloaded. How to eat them. Seeds can be easily incorporated in raw or ground form into your daily diet, sprinkled in smoothies, on salads, porridge, cereal, granola yogurt, or in protein power balls. I'm going to include a link to my 2 recipes on my website for some delicious power bites. There's the cardamom pumpkin energy bites for phase 1 or the follicular phase, and then there's the MACA hemp energy bites for the second or luteal phase. Check out the recipe links below. Here's a quick synopsis of seed cycling. In the first half of the cycle, the follicular phase, or days 1 to 14, we use the seeds that are supportive of estrogen metabolism. This is flax seeds, chia, and pumpkin seeds. Let me give you the key points of each. Flax seeds are especially high in lignans, which aid in binding to xenoestrogens in the body and then moving them out through the bowels, allowing for more efficient elimination. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc and vitamin E, important also for the adrenal glands, immune system, as well as hormone production. Chia seeds are the richest source of omega-3 in all the plant kingdom. 28 grams or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds delivers a whopping 5,000 milligrams of alpha-linolenic acid, 4 grams of protein, and 11 grams of fiber. In the second half of the cycle, from ovulation until the beginning of your next menstrual period, is the luteal phase, approximately days 15 to 30. Here you eat the seeds focused on supporting progesterone, such as sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, or tahini, which is sesame butter, or hemp hearts, an excellent source of plant-based protein.